Assalamualaikum. In today's video, I will show you how to create a beautiful design effortlessly. So let's begin. First, I used a rough paper cut about 2 inches wide as a template. Then I cut the piping into small pieces based on the size of the paper. Carefully, I stitched these small pieces of piping into the paper, ensuring there was only a small gap between each piece. Too much space would leave the design looking open and less attractive. After stitching the piping to the paper, I cut a 1.5 inch wide strip of plain fabric. I placed this fabric under the paper and stitched it securely. Then I folded it neatly and stitched along the fold, completing the piping on the stitch. Next, I repeated the process on the other stitch using a 2.5 inch wide piping. As before, I folded the fabric and created a white piping. Once the piping work on both sides was complete, I removed the paper template as it was no longer needed. To enhance the design, I attached lace along the stitch. I applied the lace in the same way on both and bottom and top side of the design. Stitch it securely and then adjust it. After finishing the lace work, the design was ready. You can use this design under a salwar, under the arms, on a shirt or any fabric of your choice. For a finishing touch, sew neatly along the top stitch. If you want an even more gorgeous look, you can add additional lace on top. See how beautiful this design looks? If you like this tutorial, please let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.